Good evening, Spartan families, and welcome to Back to School Night. First and foremost, I want to share how proud we are of your students. They've been doing a fantastic job so far this year. Just last week, we met with them in grade level assemblies to review our expectations, and we are excited to continue building on this positive start. Tonight is an important night. It sets the foundation for a strong partnership between families and teachers. Our teachers are an incredible resource, and we encourage you to reach out to them as your first line of communication for anything related to your student. Please remember that tonight is not a conference. If you have important information to share about your child, we ask that you contact the appropriate teacher or grade level counselor. We also want to update you on a few initiatives. First, around assessments. I just want to say thank you for your support for today's Linkit Form A assessment. Your student attendance was excellent, and we hope for the same tomorrow. We are eager to dive into the data so we can adjust instruction and create more engaging and meaningful lessons for our students. Next, our Lost and Found. We will soon launch a new website called Spartan Finds. Once active, you'll be able to visit the TOIS main page to view the items that have been found, and then follow the steps to claim anything that belongs to your child. Lastly, an intramural program. We're excited to introduce a new intramurals program. While many of the sessions will be geared towards 5th and 6th graders to help build a foundation for school sports and activities, all students will have opportunities to participate. A sign-up sheet will be sent out for the first round pretty soon. And really, that's it. I want to thank you for being here tonight. Seeing so many families together reminds us of what a wonderful and supportive community we have. Enjoy the evening, and let's make this a great school year.